Hi, Grayson. Hi, Grayson. Say hi. Hi. Oh, you gonna show me your breakfast? No, tell me hi.
Say
Hello. Hello. Yes.
Say Max, please.
Is Max eating breakfast with you?
Yesterday she was sleeping on the couch. And Lucy was laying on the couch, and had gone back, and I came back out.
Hi, Grandma. Say, we're recording this, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Lucy was sleeping at the edge of her feet, touching her feet.
Oh. Lucy cuddle with you? I like to eat. Do you like to eat?
Yeah.
Say hi to your food. Hi, food. Hi,
By
food.
how wide she opens her mouth. Yeah.
Ah.